In this exciting tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to make a beautiful, elegant wedding dress with very simple steps. Everything is beginner friendly. Even if you've never made a wedding dress before, you're going to learn how to embellish it with beautiful applique. Please don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Then after stitching, I'm going to show you how to embellish and decorate the dress easily. So after I finish joining the dress, this is how beautiful it looks after pressing it. Then now we can start embellishing the dress. So I'm just going to place some applique onto the dress. I'm going to get some lace trims, cut them out. Then I'm going to stick them to the dress using glue. So this is E6000 and it's waterproof glue. But if you don't want to use glue, you can just pin the appliques and stitch them on the dress using the sewing machine. So this is the 6000 glue I'm sticking here. Like I said, you can also just use your sewing machine to stitch the applique onto the dress. Then once we're done with this, we're going to have something very, very beautiful. So guys, if you've watched this video up to this far, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comment sections if this video was very helpful to you. So I'm just going to finish embellishing the dress, as you can see me do. Then we have our beautiful wedding dress, simple, elegant, and yet classy. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm so grateful. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and let me know in the comment section what you think about this video, if it was helpful, or let me know what other video tutorial I should make for you. Bye.